We've been told depression is just sadness and anxiety is just overthinking, but this is wrong. These myths keep people from getting real help. Let's bust these myths once and for all. One thing that really gets in the way of us talking openly and honestly about mental health are myths. Those pesky little nuggets of misinformation that sound just true enough to stick around. The problem with mental health myths is that they stop people from getting the help they need. Think about it. If you believe that depression is just sadness, you might not reach out for help when you're struggling. Or if you think anxiety is something you can just snap out of, you might feel ashamed or like a failure when you can't. We have to break down these myths. We need to create a space where everyone feels safe to talk about their mental health and seek help without shame. Today, we're diving deep into some common myths about depression and anxiety. So stick around because you'll want to hear about this. First, let's talk about depression. You've probably heard people say things like, "I'm just so depressed," when they're feeling down. But here's the thing, depression is way more than just feeling sad. It's like comparing a puddle to the ocean. Depression is a serious mental health condition that affects every part of your life. It's not just about feeling sad. It's about feeling empty, hopeless, and losing interest in things you used to love. It's about your body feeling heavy and your mind feeling foggy. Imagine waking up every morning feeling like you're dragging yourself through quicksand. That's what depression can feel like. It impacts your energy levels, your sleep, your appetite, your concentration, everything. And it's not something you can just snap out of by thinking positive thoughts. It's not a weakness, and it doesn't mean you're not trying hard enough. Depression is a real medical condition, and like any other medical condition, it often requires professional help to treat. So, if you're struggling with depression, please know that you're not alone, and there is help available. Let's talk about anxiety. We all feel anxious sometimes, like before a big presentation or a first date. But when we're talking about anxiety disorders, it's on a whole different level. Anxiety disorders are the most common mental illness in the United States, and they can manifest in so many different ways. It's not just about feeling nervous, it's about feeling this overwhelming sense of fear and worry that can be completely debilitating. Imagine your heart racing, your palms sweating, and your mind spiraling with worst-case scenarios. That's what an anxiety attack can feel like, and it can be terrifying. And just like with depression, telling someone with an anxiety disorder to just chill out or calm down is not helpful. In fact, it can make them feel even worse. Anxiety is not a sign of weakness. It's often caused by a combination of genetic, environmental, and social factors. And just like with any other medical condition, treatment is often necessary. Therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes can all be incredibly helpful for managing anxiety. So, if you're struggling, please know that there are resources available to help you feel better. Now, let's address this misconception that only weak people need therapy. In reality, seeking therapy is a sign of incredible strength. Think about it. It takes a lot of courage to admit that you're struggling and to ask for help. It's like saying, "Hey, I'm not okay right now, and I'm willing to do something about it." That's not weak. That's incredibly brave. Therapy provides a safe and supportive space to talk about your thoughts and feelings with a trained professional who can help you develop coping mechanisms, challenge negative thought patterns, and work through past traumas. It's like having a personal trainer for your mind. They're there to help you build mental resilience and develop healthy coping strategies so you can navigate life's challenges with more confidence and ease. So, if you're considering therapy, please know that there's absolutely no shame in seeking help. In fact, it might be the bravest and most empowering decision you ever make. Finally, let's talk about medication. There's this myth that medication is a crutch, and that if you just tried hard enough with therapy, you wouldn't need it. But that's just not true for everyone. For some people, medication can be a lifesaver. It can help to balance brain chemistry, alleviate symptoms, and make therapy more effective. It's like wearing glasses if you have poor vision. Glasses don't fix your eyesight, but they help you see more clearly. Similarly, medication doesn't fix mental health conditions, but it can help to manage symptoms and improve quality of life. And just like with any other medical treatment, it's important to talk to your doctor to find the right medication and dosage for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to mental health treatment. What works for one person might not work for another. The important thing is to find what works best for you and to be open to exploring different options. So, what do you think? Have you ever encountered any of these mental health myths? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any other myths you'd like me to debunk in a future video, share those too. The more we talk about mental health openly and honestly, the more we can break down stigma and create a world where everyone feels comfortable seeking help when they need it. Let's spread awareness and work together to create a more supportive and understanding world for everyone. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more inspiring content.